If a student is not getting MBBS seat in government college, then their next priority is semi-government college or private college where the fee structure is very low. In all over India, only one state is there where fee structure in private college is 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. Also, there are no hidden charges. Hostel fee is also very reasonable. The name of the state is Kerala. Very recently, Kerala State Counselling has opened the registration for MBBS admission in 2025. In today's video, I will give you the complete information regarding Kerala State Counselling process, detail of the college seat matrix, fee structure, cutoff, all informations you will be getting from the today's video. Student, myself Ayan Ghosh, I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel till now, subscribe our YouTube channel to get all the relevant information related with the MBBS admission 2025. Before starting my video, first I want to tell you one information that I got a query from the student that, sir, till now the NEET exam does not happen. So how the counseling process is starting? Many students, many parents ask me that questions. In that context, I'll tell you, many states, not only Kerala, Karnataka, CMC Vellore, and few other states also like Indraprastha University, they start the registration process, means the application process for the admission even before the NEET exam also. Okay, so when the registration will open, you have to do the registration, you have to upload the document, you have to pay the registration fees. Once your NEET result will come, after that you have to upload the NEET result, but after result only your counseling and allotment process will start. Right now only you have to do the registration, documentation, that is uploading the document, and the payment process. That only you have to do. Rest all the process will happen after the NEET result. Hope you understand and it gives a clarity based on your query. Student, in today's video, I will give you 5 important information. First, the date of the counseling and the registration process of Kerala. Second information is the eligibility of Kerala State Counselling. Third is college details and the seat matrix. Fourth is cutoff of Kerala of 2024 last year and the fee structure. And fifth is the registration process in Kerala. So let's start with the first, the dates of the counseling. See, the date is which has started from yesterday, 20th February. From yesterday only the registration process has started. The last date of registration is 10th of March. That is last date for online submission of supporting document 15th of March, and then after the process will be after the NEET result. See, I'll tell you, this Kerala registration is not only for the MBBS students, it is for all the students of graduation courses, like it is for engineering, it is for agriculture, it is for other medical allied courses, for all the students. In this video, I'll give you the information only in context of the MBBS. So this date you have to note, that is registration date from 20th February till 10th of January, 10th of March, and the document uploading is till 15th of March. Your job is over. Next, your job will be after the NEET result, when you will have to upload the NEET result details, everything. This is the date. Next, I will come you the eligibility criteria for Kerala. See, in Kerala, there are 3 kind of category is there. One is Keralite, another is non-Keralite 1, and another is non-Keralite 2. I will show you that. See, this is the eligibility criteria. First, as I told you, this is the Keralite. Keralite means a student of Kerala origin will be categorized as Keralite. So, if Kerala origin candidate is there, then he will be considered as a Keralite. So, for that, which all document is required, that is mentioned in this brochure. So, you will have to arrange the document accordingly. Next is non-Keralite 1 and non-Keralite 2. I will tell you non-Keralite 1, which all the candidate. The candidate who is not of Kerala origin but fulfill the any one of the following will be categorized as the non-Keralite 1. Means a candidate who has undergone qualifying course of in Kerala and who is son and daughter of non-Keralite parents belonging to the government of India or defense service posted in Kerala. Means suppose if their parents is not from Kerala but the candidate has done studies from Kerala. Maybe parents are from other state, but they are working in Kerala in a government sector. In that particular sector, the candidate did his studies from Kerala. For those kind of candidate, he will be coming under the non-Keralite one. Next is, you can see the candidate who has undergone the qualifying exam in Kerala and who is son and daughter of non-Keralite parent who is serving or served government of Kerala for a minimum period of 2 years. So that is also comes under the non-Keralite quota. Next is candidate who is not a Kerala origin but has been a resident of Kerala state for a period of 5 years within the period of 12 years of his studies. That is also comes under non-Keralite one. Another, a candidate who is not a Kerala origin but who has undergone his or her school studies in Kerala from standard 8 to standard 12. They also comes under the non-Keralite 1 quota. This is non-Keralite 1. Another is non-Keralite 2. Non-Keralite 2 is completely the student who is outside Kerala regions, means who has not done studies in Kerala and who is not having domicile of Kerala itself. They are non-Keralite. So, 3 categories: Keralite, non-Keralite 1, non-Keralite 2. 3 categories are there. Next, as I told you, I'll tell you about the college details and the seat matrix. See, in Kerala, there are 12 government colleges are there. But in this 12 government colleges, non-Keralite 2 students are not eligible. Okay, only the student who are Kerala domicile, they are only eligible. But in private college, in Kerala, total 20 private colleges are there. In this 20 private colleges, total number of seats is approximately 2,900. And 15% seats of these private colleges are reserved for the non-Keralite 2 candidate. Means 15% of, if I take a rough of 2,900 of 15%, so it will come approximately 430 in that range. So approximately 430 seats are reserved for the non-Keralite student, where the fee structure is 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. So the student whose budget is low, who is not getting government college, this is a good options for them. So you can see which all colleges are there in Kerala. I will tell you few of the good colleges in Kerala. One is that Jubilee Missions, which is in Thrissur, very reputed and one of the most reputed private college in Kerala. Next is Amla Medical College, which is also very reputed private college in Kerala. Pushpagiri Medical College, that is also very reputed private college in Kerala. Malankara Medical College, this is also very reputed private college in Kerala. So this is, you can see total 20 private colleges are there in Kerala. I can zoom it. You can see there are total 20 private colleges are there in Kerala, starting from Al Azhar Medical College. In Al Azhar, 150 seats are there. Amla Medical College, what I told you, 100 seats are there. Azaria. See, there are some seats are there which is for the minority colleges are there, where the seats are reserved for the minority student. But for that, non-Keralite 2 category students are not eligible. Next is this, if you can see, total number of seats is 2,850 in this 20 colleges. So student, this is all about the name of the college, how many colleges are there in Kerala for MBBS and what is the number of seat. Next is, as I told you, the fee structure and the seat matrix. See, if you see, this is the fee structure and the seat matrix. See, Amla Medical College, okay, and this cutoff is 2024 and round 1. Generally, what happened in Kerala, in round, for example, if in round 1, if any college cutoff is 40,000, we have seen the trend is like that. In further round, it will be little positive. I mean, it might be 43,000, 45,000, like that it is. So, the reason I gave you in round 1, so if you have the rank of round 1 cutoff rank, then you have to be rest assured you will get the college in for sure in Kerala. That is because this is a safe rank. I can tell you here, getting in this rank, getting college in Kerala is almost 100%. Amla Medical College, you can see I'll tell you the score so you'll able to understand it properly. Amla Medical College round 1 cutoff was 655 for the non-domicile candidate. See, who is the student that take admission in this college? There are few states are there where the government college cutoff is very high. Okay, so when the student does not get seat in government college in those places, they can try in this private college where the fee is low. Azaria Medical College 626, Boulevard 647, Maupin Medical College 623, MES Medical College is there 648, then Sri Gokulam 646, like that. Jubilee Mission is there 665 is the cutoff. So these all are the cutoff of for the non-domicile student. You can see the lowest score where the student has got non-domicile, that is 624 619, sorry, 619. Al Azhar Medical College, the student has got with the rank of 55,900 or around 56,000. So if your rank is 50,000 and if you are not getting, certainly will not get government college in 50,000 rank in general category, then certainly you can do the registrations in Kerala to get the private college in the lower fees. Coming to the student who are Kerala domicile or the non-Kerala one, for them you can see even the student whose score is 591 and rank is 86,000, they also got the seat in Kerala in round 1. Further round, definitely it has gone had a positive seat, means it is 591 which was, might be it gone to 580 or 575 also in the further round 2, round 3 also it may go in that range. So this is the cutoff rank of 2024. And fee structure, you can see, as I told you, 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. This college's approximately fee structure is 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the registration process. See, if you want to do the registration, first what you have to do, you have to go to this website, ceekerala.gov.in. This website you have to go. Once you go, you'll see this KEAM registration will be blinking here in left side down. You have to click there. Once you click there, then in the right side, two option is there where they will ask you that register here or candidate login. Since you are first time, if you are doing the registration, you have to click the register here. Once you click there, then this part will come. How many parts are there? 5 parts: registration, fill application, pay application fees, and upload image and certificate, and print acknowledgement. 5 parts are there in this form, and you have to fill up this 5 parts. Then you have to go for the declaration. Let's say give the declarations in that way. Then proceed for registration. Once you go for proceed for registration, then they will ask you your basic details. You have to give your basic details and you have to do the registration. Then they will be having further process, further application. You have to upload the document, everything, okay, on that. Then you have to complete the registration process. If you want to take our guidance for the complete admission process in Kerala, you can contact in the number given in the scheme. So our team will guide you completely for the admission process, starting from the registration process till allotment and admission, documentation, guidance, everything will guide you. Student, hope this all information is helpful for you. If you feel this information is relevant, you can like this video, you can share this video with all of your friends who are looking for admissions in 2025 in MBBS. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. Thank you so much.